Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share the latest job openings in Kanpur location. It is from Uttar Pradesh. So I am going to include all the links in the description for the job roles mentioned in this video. So you can have a look at the description once for the links to apply for these positions. So let us discuss one by one in detail. So firstly, there is a job opening for search engine optimization specialist. It is from Engage Digital located in Kanpur. So let us see what are the skills and the requirements mentioned here to apply for this position. So firstly, coming to technical skills required, the candidate should have required about 2 years of experience in SEO and knowledge of standard and current SEO practices and experience with SEO reporting and also experience with creating quality backlinks and also guest blogs and a demonstrated track record of increasing rankings, traffic and revenue while managing and executing search engine optimization strategies and tactics. And you should be familiar with the relevant tools such as SEMrush, Ahrefs, Screaming Frog and Mbojet, and also some web analytics tools such as Google Analytics, Web Trends, etc. So these are the technical skills required for this position. So coming to other requirements, like you should have some experience with managing relationships with external websites and successfully acquiring backlinks and deep understanding of keyword research process to identify opportunities and solid understanding of on-page optimization best practices and techniques and worked on ORM to improve the overall image of the website. And you can check here with the other requirements mentioned here. So if you want to apply for this position, you can have a look at the description once to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for Senior Executive Operations. It is from Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. So let us see what are the details mentioned here to apply for this position. So you need to process general insurance policy issuance and endorsements of all the line of business. And you should have good product knowledge in terms of motor, travel, health, property and other LOPs, and quality check of policy issuance, endorsements processed, and team monitoring and ability to solve team queries. And you need to create MISR reports for internal consumption and stakeholders, and also you need to maintain and monitor TAT management of queries in iTrack and non-EB systems and the creation of MISR reports. And you need to follow up with the issuer or client or business team for day-to-day transactions, and also you need to conduct regular meetings with the stakeholders and also partners for resolution of issues and process improvement. So you can check here with the other responsibilities mentioned here. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can have a look at the description once for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for Digital Marketing Manager. It is from Nectar Rendering Studio. So let us see what are the responsibilities and the qualifications mentioned here. So in order to apply for this position, you must have 1 year of experience in marketing, and also you should have content creation skills and excellent communication and organizational skills. So coming to responsibilities, you need to do SEO optimization and Google AdWords and Google Analytics, and also you need to plan and execute digital marketing campaigns and monitor and analyze the effectiveness of the marketing content, develop and manage website content, find and target audiences, and website development is a plus point. So these are the responsibilities. Next one, there is a job opening for Business Development Executive. It is from Global Trade Plaza. So you should have 1 to 5 years of experience as a tele-sales representative or inside sales role, and you should have experience in B2B inside sales are preferred, and proven record of quota, and you should have hands-on experience with sales tools such as CRM software, etc. And you should have patience, and friendly personality should be there, and you should be a team player, and time management skills are required, and you should have interpersonal communication, presentation and negotiation skills, and good and all these things, and you must have excellent communication and listening skills in both English and Hindi language, and passionate to achieve the goals both for the organization and themselves for the longer run, and you must be polite and should know friendly handling of clients. So all these things you please go through with this, and if you want to apply for this position, you can have a look at the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for digital marketing manager. It is from Top Worldwide. Let us see what are the requirements mentioned here. Like above 3 years of experience is required at a digital or marketing agency. So you should have strong analytical skills, especially in data analysis at high speed, and you must have excellent organizational skills, including management of other team members, and work experience with clients in multiple subject verticals, and experience working on agency teams with complex marketing campaigns, and deep knowledge of paid digital platforms like Google Ads, Facebook, and YouTube, and detail oriented and self motivated in a remote work capacity. So all these things, so you can go through with all the requirements mentioned here. Next one, there is a job opening for business consultant. It is from Intignis Business Consulting Private Limited. So let us see what are the skills mentioned here, and some of the responsibilities are also mentioned. So you should have capable of assessing and improving current business process of clients, and capable of helping their clients reform and improve their operations and support their business by providing various business solutions, and you need to work closely with key partners to keep them updated on process changes designed to improve service, and you need to meet with the assigned clients when needed and perform an initial assessment of a problematic situation, and you need to collect the information about the client's business through a variety of methods such as shadowing, interviews, surveys, reading reports, etc. And you need to submit regular reports to management team about company health and new initiatives in progress, and you must have a strong problem solving skills, and excellent written and verbal communication skills are required for this position. So interested candidates, so please go through with all the details mentioned here, and you can have a look at the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for Project Executive Officer, Media Cell. It is from Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. So let us see what are the requirements mentioned here. So the education qualification would be PhD, master's degree or graduate degree with significant experience and expertise in social media marketing in a highly reputed academic institution and reputed commercial not for a profit entity. So preferable degree in communications. Minimum you should have 5 years of experience in social media handling and in-depth knowledge of multiple social media platforms, and you should have experience in digital marketing and knowledge of SEO and SEM, and experience in website and graphic design. So these are the requirements and the skills details. And so coming to responsibilities, you need to manage the day-to-day handling of all social media channels like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, adapting content to suit different channels, and you need to lead a team for the same and develop creative and engaging marketing strategies for better reach and following. So these are the responsibilities. Interested candidates, will please go through with all the details mentioned here. Next one, there is a job opening for Wordpress Developer. It is from Gully Sales. So you must have 2 years of experience to apply for this position, and so CTC will be, they are going to offer 1.8 lakhs to 3 lakhs per annum. So coming to requirements, bachelor's degree in computer science or similar field is required, and you should have work experience as a WordPress developer, and you should have knowledge of front-end technologies including CSS3, JavaScript, HTML5 and jQuery, and also knowledge of code versioning tools including Git, Mercurial and SVN, and working experience with the debugging tools such as Chrome Inspector and Firebug, and good understanding of website architecture and aesthetics, and ability to manage products, and you should have good communication skills to manage all these things. So coming to responsibilities, you need to meet with clients to discuss website design and function, and designing and building the website front end, and you need to create the website architecture, designing and managing the website backend including database and server integration, and generating WordPress themes and plugins, conducting website performance tests. So these are the responsibilities. Interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can have a look at the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for social media manager. It is from Plug Holidays. So they are looking for an experienced and creative social media specialist to join their team. So as a social media specialist, you will be responsible for developing and implementing their social media strategy in order to increase their online presence and improve their marketing and sales efforts. So you should know knowledge about the SEO, PPL and social media marketing and graphic designing and all these things. So interested candidates, you can have a look at the description to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for sales associate. It is from Healthy Pinto Private Limited. So they are looking for a female sales associate for this position. So you need to convert the potential leads into profitable sales, and also you need to do lead management. So these are the responsibilities you should do for this position. So interested candidates who are looking for this type of job role, you can apply to this position by checking the link in the description. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.